This video is in collaboration with ACEBOTT. ACEBOTT is a company focused on making STEM education more practical and engaging through robotics, electronics, and coding. They offer a range of educational kits that let you learn, build, and experiment with different projects. For this collaboration, they sent me their QD001 ESP32 powered smart robot car kit, along with the QD004 Tank Expansion Pack. The QD001 comes with an ESP32 base controller, Mecanum wheels, multiple sensors, and several features that we can program and experiment with. So now that we've seen what's included in the box, let's build this robot and see what it's capable of.